It's just a bit smaller than a rotor. It's about 14 across, 14 inches. It's about 12 high, 16 with the handle.
Do you know what the ratio is from one turn to how many turns the blade does?
Off the top of my head, it's 1 for 36. We had this special little gearbox made with
one turn equals 36.
Solid,
one turn of the handle equals 36 turns of the blade.
Tougher than the wire. Most definitely, you could put anything in there.
That is beautiful.
No twigs are going to snap anything.
It's all surgical steel, so it's not going to rust or anything. For those growers out there that already have a TrimPro rotor, let's show you this. This is about how fast the TrimPro rotor moves. And now we have a hand crank, so you can slow it down. It's right where you want it to be. Nice and slow and nice and delicate. Perfect. So for those folks that are looking to get a trimmer that works really well and you don't have thousands and thousands of dollars to spend on one, well, here's the secret. You don't really need thousands and thousands of dollars. These smaller trimmers do the job that a lot of the multiple $1,000 and some of the trimmers that are over $10,000 do, just slightly slower than some of those $10,000 trimmers. So these small trimmers are great for those folks that, let's just call it, have under 10 lights. Now, a lot of folks that are looking to buy the bowl trimmer, they want a clear top. Now, the clear top trimmers are really delicate. They're polycarbonate plastic tops that crack, become brittle, break, and also are very difficult to clean after the first use. So most folks that have had a bowl trimmer and replacing it, they're doing it with one of these metal tops. But again, now we can't see inside of the trimmer in order to see when it's time to stop cranking it so that we're not overworking the product. Here's another thing with the standard bowl trimmers. We have a gear drive. Now, just so you know, these gear drives are pretty inexpensive. And this kind of goes all across the board with the bowl trimmers. Now here we go, fast forward to 2012. The newest variation, I wouldn't call it a bowl trimmer. I would say it has a similar trimming style, but a very unique design and high quality. No longer do we need the clear bowl that's going to become brittle, break, or become so dirty it can't be clean. We have an open top where we can see the product as it's being worked, so we can stop cranking it and stop working it the moment it gets to that point where we feel like the trim is close enough. We also have a very unique gear drive in this trimmer. This is not the same as one of these. This was specifically designed and developed by TrimPro for long use. As you can see, it has a grill pattern that's very similar to their high-end automatic. What did you guys spend, like 4 or 5 years in development coming out of that grill design?
We're on our 6th year pretty much of the automatic by this point.
So this grill design is about 6 years in the making. And we see over here with the bowl trimmers, that looks like something you grill on. So this is a unique slotted design that gets the maximum efficiency when your flowers are going over being trimmed. Let's take a look at the bottom. Now we see a big difference. We see a solid steel blade that's sharp on both sides, so we can cut left or we can cut to the right. So for those folks that wanted to get a rotor or an automatic this season for their outdoor garden, but they just didn't know where they would plug it in, here we have the trimmer for you. For those folks on the hill that have no power source, or for those folks that just need a trimmer to get the job done in their house, here we have a trimmer that's finally in a design that most people can obtain with the TrimPro quality. Made in Canada by Canadians, Canadian parts and Canadian engineering. It's not the same as your standard bowl trimmer made in China.